I think that every time somebody tells me that, oh my god, you're such a young bride, I will be a millionaire and I will use that same money to fund my own wedding. Good morning. I woke up just some time ago and I got ready to go to the gym. I'm in my gym outfit. But my mom said no, we're not going to the gym today because we need to leave for wedding shopping. It is day one. Like this is the first time I'm actually like going shopping. I will try on lehengas today for the first time. I wish my sister came, but she is busy for something very secretive. I will tell you about it when she allows me to. It's just me and my mom today. Anyway, see you in a second. I am ready. But I'll talk to you in the car. Bye. Hello, we are on our way. My mom is sleeping and we are on our way to Fort. I have written down a couple of brands that I think will fit the budget, the vibe that I want to go for. But then let's go and see. While we are at it, I want to talk to you about how I first felt when we decided we want to get married or whatever. I think this was a year and a half ago. So see, in my case, I've been dating this boy for like almost 9 years now. I think we both first sat down to like figure our shit out, what we want from our lives, how we see our future individually, and then how we see our future together. I think that conversation is the first conversation any couple or any two people should have before they think of getting married, because that will genuinely put a lot of things into perspective. No matter what, if you both trust each other, if you both respect each other and love each other, everything eventually always falls into place. And for that, you don't need to date somebody for 9 years to know that. If your heart says that you feel that strongly, then go and understand what your heart says. We're gonna go get that coffee first.
That is also a memory.
Matcha latte is my go-to order from Starbucks. It is very very good. Even if you like matcha, don't like matcha, you will always like this. It's light, it's fresh, it's just very very good. मेरी मम्मी बहुत ही गुस्से में आ चुकी, मैंने बहुत ही लेट करा है. अब मैंने कॉफी लेने में टाइम लगाया है, तो शी इज नॉट सेइंग हाय मम्मी. We just went to Jigya. The store was like breathtaking, like so beautiful. Now we're going to Sabyasachi. I will take you there with me if they allow me to. My mom has like smiled like anything. We tried my first bridal lehenga. Now we're going to the next store. Come with us. Is taraf. I am losing my mind, bro. The collections are so stunning. Like everything is so pretty. I want to buy everything. Oh my god. I don't know. I have a feeling we might just find something that we might love today. I have tried one lehenga, but we have a lot more options to try. Snack break. The sandwiches are really, really yummy. Say hi. She has been helping us with everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're such a beautiful bride. I would be loving
you.
to help you around.
I am already done trying 10 lehengas. No fun gym workout today because this is my workout. थक गई हूँ मैं. We are done with the Purnias ka shopping. Now we have one more label to check out. Thoda hungry, but it's okay. We have to wrap this up by 7 because that's when all the stores will get shut. See you in some time once I'm done with all that shopping. And then when I'm in the car, I will talk to you about how my entire experience was. Did you even go wedding shopping if you did not have sev puri, bhel puri as a snack break? Hello, I am back. I did not tell you anything in the car because I passed out. हमें 2 घंटे लगे हैं घर आने को. The traffic was like madness. I can't tell you, bro. The fact that I am an Indian bride, because I get to try all these amazing lehengas. Oh my god, I loved it. I think that every time somebody tells me that, oh my god, you're such a young bride, I will be a millionaire and I will use that same money to fund my own wedding. Oh my god, you're a young bride. Yes, I am. So, let me tell you about my whole shopping experience today. First lehenga that I tried was at Sabyasachi, and it was nice, but it didn't like hit. I think we tried a lot of options at Purnia. There was this one particular lehenga. Like when my mom saw me walk in, she cried immediately. And I video called my sister and dad, and they saw it. And my dad had tears, my sister had tears, I had tears. It was a vibe. It was like a moment. तो वो मैंने अभी पाक करके रखा है मेरे ब्रेन में. I'm not gonna tell you the color or the vibe or anything, क्योंकि मेरे लिए सीक्रेट रखना anyway बहुत टफ है. मैंने गाड़ी में लिटरली मम्मी को कसम ली थी कि मम्मी मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm not gonna tell anybody कि भाई क्या है मेरा ब्राइडल लहंगा सीन. I wanna keep it a big secret. मैंने गाड़ी में ही फोटो भेज दी आयुष को. घर पे आके मैंने मेरे भाई को दिखा दिया लल्लू के जैसे. मैंने मेरे दादा दी को दिखा दिया. I was like, how's it? Look at me in my bridal outfit. I think this is why people tell that I'm too young to get married, bro. I don't know. I am happy to report that I think I'm pretty cleared on what I do not want. If you are a bride, if you know somebody who's a bride, or for whenever you become a bride, go and keep your mind open and go to stores. Just take a day out to see things. Like just soak it in. कि क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में, तुम्हें क्या पसंद आ रहा है. एंड अगर तुम्हें नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि तुम्हें क्या पसंद आ रहा है, तो एटलीस्ट ये फिगर कर लो कि तुम्हें क्या नहीं पसंद आ रहा है. देन इट्स ईजियर टू चूज व्हाट यू लाइक. यू शुड फील लाइक योरसेल्फ. लाइक देयर वाज दिस वन लहंगा दैट आई ट्राइड टुडे इन व्हिच इट लुक्ड गुड. ओके, लाइक एवरीबडी सेड इट लुक्ड रियली नाइस, बट आई डिडंट फील लाइक इट वाज मी. इफ इट डजंट फील लाइक इट इज मी, इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन no matter how pretty it looks. Okay, now let me share some thoughts that I have had today. So let me like hot dump it to you. I think it is very important to have understanding parents-in-law. If you're not understanding, at least chill. Like luckily, touch wood, his parents are also damn chill. They are just like my parents, and I know them since years, since I was in school, because we've been dating since school. 90% of his stress is gone because his parents, they literally see a daughter in me, and it is the most wholesome thing ever. And I just like spending time with them. Like I would like spending time with my own parents. You know, तो मुझे यही लगता है कि with my generation, this dynamic is really nice. Like parents also, they genuinely see a son in Ayush instead of the damatri. We both do not like this extra jamai treatment that happens. That oh my god, jamai आ गया घर पे. नहीं. Be chill. He's your son. Treat him like a son. This thing is called Eridop. This is something my doormat gave me. It's like liquid gold. मैंने खत्म कर दिया. Don't take it if your doormat doesn't suggest. Mine does, and this works for me. We're talking about the whole parent situation, especially for like us young people. It's very important that you build like a nice relationship with them, and I think you should do that before you are married, like whatever engagement period. This is the time that you should genuinely take to build a nice bond with like his family. And this is the time that you as a guy also should be taking to build that bond with her family, so that she will always feel heard and seen. I think that's what we have been doing a lot. Like we hang out at each other's places, we go out together for dinners, for lunches. We send them, the four of them together for like movies and stuff. So now like they have also like bonded to a very good extent, which is GG for both of us. And baki to it's very important to know what you want, and then you communicate that with everybody else, and everybody will adjust themselves to that reality that you want to create for yourself. I will obviously say that, you know, you should also be understanding towards others, because only then people will also be willing to understand you. When you know what you want from your life, nobody can come and hinder and tell you what to do, what not to do. And if they dare to do, then your voice should be powerful enough to tell them that, listen, I want this. I have just been taking so much time to do my internal work to know what I really want from my life, because only then can I offer something to my partner and be clear about what I want to bring to the partnership that we have. I think I want to keep doing these Chintu vlogs where I'm going out. Like, so tomorrow we have like a catering meeting. Tomorrow I have some work also. Probably I'll take you tomorrow with me. And ये सब के बीच में in the pockets of time that I get, I will keep sharing my thoughts. When I look back at these videos, I'm gonna feel so nice. Like, oh my god. Love it. Stay hydrated, stay blessed, enjoy, and don't forget to have fun, because that's the most important thing. This is my fit for day 2. That's my mother-in-law. Abhi we are done. Now we are bouncing out from here. See you wherever we go next. Today's exhibition was just fine. हमने लिया actually बहुत कुछ, but we are at my favorite land. We have taken a break to get They have matcha. I think I'm gonna get one matcha. Looks very good. हमारा creation तो crazy.
Create Froyo from here, but as you can see, it's here. My bad.
Let's go to Jigar and Nikita. आज मेरी बहन आई है. Good girl. Everybody. We are at Cafe 49. We really like this place. हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत बार आए हुए हैं. मेरे डैडी की favorite place है ये.
We got in tacos for dinner.
Food time. फिर हम घर जाएंगे. Finally. कैसा रहा आज का दिन आपका?
अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया
9 on 10 bro. So that's it for the first 2 days of my wedding shopping and everything I ate and everything I did and everything I thought. I hope you enjoyed. I think next I want to take you through like our wedding planning, meetings. I think I should also introduce you all to Ayush. I've not meet Ayush yet. Can't wait to bring you all to like more things and document this entire wedding journey. हमारे पास सब तक का time है. So yeah, anyway, goodbye, good night. Inshallah, see you next time. Bye.